Hey, 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 happy Monday, happy Monday, happy Monday to you one and all. All the people in the Caribbean and all the people in the diaspora who say one nation stands alone. Big up on yourself, big up on yourself, big up on yourself. Your boy is coming on. You know? Yeah. No pain. You know? Just want to get back the appetite now and kind of relax the stomach because it kind of a bit disturbed over the few days me have the flu, the whole of coughing. So you kind of have that little sore the inside, but no pain, stuffiness, not much, you know. Just the appetite me really want to get back, wish. By a few days more, all is good. So, we don't know it go. We just continue to do the do, Because we not keep me strong, Because I say all the check up where WhatsApp is concerned, DM, messengers, even in the comment, there's a lot of it. So give thanks and praise to know, say boy, yeah, we not show the support, and the love. People, as my son know to do, continue to like, share and subscribe to this channel. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Remember to hit the thumbs up when you hit the video. Please to watch the ads. And remember the Young Entrepreneur College student, link of our YouTube channel is in my description. She beg me hard to beg on a fear to reach out. If you have not yet subscribed and subscribe to our channel, it's like she just want to reach his 1,000, to start, get that drive there. And as I said, I know it feel when you see a number is not moving, you move a while, you stop for a long while again, and you move again. It kind of, when you see the numbers are moving, it encourage you more. I can testify for that. So, she beg me for beg on one. As I tell them, I beg on for gear for the Christmas. So all I want to know subscribe yet. We so don't love me. Just go over there and get a subscription now, please. Anytime I beg on still me sweet move, Because I went last week one day I come and I reach out to her and I say yes, she gained about 20 or nearly 30 and she had gained something like 1 since that. So it a move. So when I come out and beg you, who not subscribe yet, subscribe, please and thanks. Alright? And remember, the cash app pin in the comment section. $ Life is a Mission TV. You gift me, I use the gift to give back to somebody who is in need more than me. Me can buy a pound of rice, them can buy half pound. I use my gift. And if it's even a $10,000 box of grocery, with even one 2,000 or depends on how it goes in them pocket. And come when I can gift to somebody, me gift them. So it based on all the gift for me get, me can afford to give back more than one or two person. And remember, I am not keeping a charity. So if you're going to send your money with intention that it's charity you're sending it for, no. Wrong concept, wrong idea. You understand? Supporters of this channel, they ask me for some form of money transfer business, whether Cash App, Dash App, Sash App, Lash, Zelle, Tel, for over 9 months, going over 10 months now, going 11 months. And it's just a month and other ago I decided to put up the Cash App. You understand? Because a need for me to put it up is to give back the needy. You understand? So if I can get a gift from my platform where my supporters support me and want to give me for what I am doing, I will take it to give back somebody who is in need. Alright? So that is what it is for. It's not for no charity because I now come out there, come to them and says, well, alright, the mountain I come, send me $50, send me $100, send you that. No. If you wish to send it during the period of the month to meet that mountain give back, so be the case. If you don't choose to send it, so be the case. Alright? Not ask. So it's not a charity I'm running. When you send the gift to me, I do whatever, but I feel obligated to you people to show you what I have done. Although I don't must do it, but just to show you that yes, I have done what I said I'm going to be doing because that's me. If me say me I go do this and that me I go do. Me not go behind the corner and dream screechy. If there's going to be some changes, yes, I might come public and say there is some changes, but if I say that me I go do that me I go do. Anyway, too much of that. Next thing, there's a lot of people in Canada and some other different parts of the world who say them not have Cash App, them not have Zelle, them not have Pay and them something there. if you want to use the real authentic way, you know, the vintage way, because me a vintage, you know, looking at my head. Old man this. Yeah. By using Western Union, MoneyGram and stuff like that, you can contact me at 876-221-9789 or 876-340-1701. Yeah, if you want to contact me to send it via Western Union or so, you can go ahead. Anyway, people, I see one little video here. I'm going to try to do a research on it. I search the person channel to see if I see the video, but I have not seen the video. But this person is somebody who we all know gifted of putting up videos, doing their lives, and then delete it. We should have people out there who scream whenever time through them know that them are gonna do live, then make sure ready for scream, record them live and stuff. So I see a little 8 minutes video, I think, you know, but I don't know how long this video do. To me, I don't think it recently do, but I am just seeing it. And there is things, it's not about the age of the video. For me, is what have been said in the video. Is what have been said in the video I want to talk about. So if this video, you people have seen this video 5 years ago, 2-3 years ago, I am just seeing it. And it's what have been said I want to dissect in this video. Because these people is so educated, as according to them, that sometimes when them come across on them live in saying certain things, it makes me wonder, what is education? Or the level that they are, they think that is education. I don't know. I come across T-Girl doing a live, and this is not, I don't feel like this is no long time video, but it's not recently. I don't sure, because I can't find it. As I said, she love to delete and stuff. Speaking of, well, she was like asking the lady one at England, the Nuffy one there, the Salt at England, said she could have reached out to her and apologize and ask her, you know, like some apology and them iron out things and whatsoever. Knowing she want to be like, okay, she are the star. So she want people to always reach out to she, which she said she not reach out to nobody. You understand? She not be the first to reach out to nobody, but she want people to reach out to she when she had the problem. Anyway, in the same video, when listening to the video, me hear, as a matter of fact, on the video, you was seeing Deportie keep flashing, and the video while I was watching it, based on the person who repost the video, yeah, Deportie. I wanted to understand that she was speaking of AD also in the same video, that AD is a deportee. I have heard a few times Larry the Lizard have said it, and this is why them claim say she can't, 99 can't go to England and whatsoever. Them now come out straight and say exactly what she do. But if you come out, come tell what she do and which restaurant she used to work in up there. She used to work into a restaurant up there. Don't prove anything that she do anything or whatsoever. But they use that to try to captivate and capture the minds of the people when they are telling them lies. And in the video, this well-educated person use a comparison between she and 99, where she get incarcerated, 99 get deported. I'm not going to go further until I'm ready to dissect the video. To prove how these people who say they are educated can't prove to me that they are educated. Because when you listen to them and listen to them talk, because in this comparison what she make with she and 99, it is so awful that the lowest level education a person have wouldn't have choose what she choose, are happy about what she is happy about. Well, she might be happy now because all is said and well after 10 years in incarcerated. All is said and well, yes, no, so she can't say it no. But on that day, when the judge knocked the hammer and called MW, you're now sentenced to 10 years incarcerated in this country of the BVI. You're supposed to want peace, vomit, everything. But if the alleged allegation we uno have, whenever the immigration of the country which is England on attack, they'd say, well, Miss DG or DMG, you will now be deported to Jamaica. Me no feel like Auntie did even want peace, fist, shit, this, nothing at all. So me don't know how you come to a conclusion to make a comparison like this now. But as me say, probably through all is well and you're out now, you can't say this. People are going to make you listen to the live. Change position, my people. Son, I get hot in my driveway there, so stay tuned and let's get into the video.
Side of my spirit, you know, it's me, it's my spiritual side protecting me per se. You know, it doesn't necessarily mean that I'm a bad person. I'm so nice. That's what people tell me. I'm a miserable, yeah, but I'm nice, yeah. So Ladonna, if you're trying to make amends with me per se, my inbox is open. We can have big people conversation. Nobody no need for know if it's not something that you need me to speak on. And we can just move on.
This is it. Ladonna have a inbox too. But what? You don't want to be the bigger person to reach out because you don't want to make it seem as if, just as you say, oh, me not reach out to her, you know. If she want to reach out to me, I will accept the reach out. But me now make them come say, see the Zion work and see that me have to come be them footstool and ray. Pride. And this is what you have to go do. Put aside your pride to enhance yourself and your business, you know. You understand? For all those dirty works you have done in the past, this is what you have to go do now. Put away your pride. To move forward and enhance your business and enhance your life. But if you sit down on your pride, it not go work. Because you just feel like say you people reach out to you. Can't reach out to nobody because you don't want to be no footstool. And nobody comes to see them because Zion and them have to come bow to me and this and that because you say it out of your mouth, you know. So basically you don't plan to reach out to nobody. But you want to reach out and that people have to reach out to you. Because you sound like you really want to reach out. But you want people to reach out to you. It not gonna happen. That will never happen. Me no Heidi won't reach out to you if anybody else will.
Move on with our lives just to make peace per se, or make peace reign or whatever. You can do that. You can approach me from a bigger man level. And I have always said, I don't know why people don't do this. You know, it's like a lot of you on here, a lot of you real, you know, you adult Jamaicans who have platforms, you have a problem with communication. And it's so unfortunate because you have a platform to communicate with followers, but you have a problem with communication. You understand? But you say she never go to prison. Well, I'll give you that, Earl. You're trying to be funny. I'll give you that. Yeah? But she got deported, though. I never got deported. How about that? She get deported. Yeah. Me never get deported. So I guess the two are neck and neck, right, Earl? Because you come to me and tell me, say, me go prison. She never go prison, but me go prison. She get deported. Me not get deported. Me can't fly go everywhere. So me one up on her. She can't fly go everywhere. She stuck. She stuck. She's stuck.
Alright, my people. This is the part where I'm talking about. she get deported, that allegedly 99 get deported. She go to prison, but she can't fly all around the world. 99 get stuck. Alright. What kind of comparison you are make now? Because if I have a choice, in the time what you going to prison for 10 years, to be get deported when we can't travel around the world, I prefer choose the deportation more than choose to go spend 10 years incarcerated. You know how much people go in there within half an hour? A white sheet, you see them under? Plus 10 years, I have not know what's going to happen to you. And you as an educated person and make a comparison now. So you prefer to know, say you're going to spend 10 years out of your years of life behind bars. You understand? But still able to fly around the world. Yes, you're able to fly around the world because you have American citizenship. And 90% of the countries around the world, from you have American citizenship, you don't need a visa to travel to that country. 99 don't have American citizenship. You understand? 99 don't have American visa. And if she get a visa, I don't remember if during the time when she said she got England visa time, then time that, yes, I think it was visa time. And if she even get deported as according to you and your friends, because when we are talking about things that, you know, we have no evidence of. And this is what you do all the while. You know, comes out with things that is non-relevant because you have no factual evidence of what one is bringing towards the public. You understand? And you expect when you come out and speak of things that, you know, people must just jump at it and say, yes, that is how it goes. And at the same time, when you is on a platform speaking, you are speaking with no confidence of what you are saying. But you want us to still believe that what you are saying is true. Remember now, you have no physical evidence to say, see it, yeah? Whether a written evidence or a verbal evidence on some form of tape or something. You have nothing at all. You understand? And with you have American citizenship and you get incarcerated into the BVI, which I think the BVI considers a small island. That should not have stopped you from flying around the world. But what it does, it put a red flag against your name. And this is why every time you travel, you can be harassed by immigration. And then when you have been harassed, like some overpacked suitcase, you come out and you say, John set immigration upon you, Harry set FBI upon you, Sonia set feds upon you, and all kind of something. But you know, realize that 10 years that you spend in the BVI, incarcerated, there's a red ink against your documents and name and everything. So each time you travel through, you understand, for you travel the international waters, you're going to be harassed by immigration. You understand? Just like how them harass a suspected suitcase or an overpacked suitcase. That's how you're going to be harassed. And that is something you gladly want to live with. That is something you accept to live with. How educated are you? Continue to speak.
Me can fly go everywhere. So I don't have one up on her.
One up.
She get deported. Me never get deported.
One up and you face so much embarrassment going through the airport. One up facing so much embarrassment going through the airport. Whenever time immigration goes and look on your document, them look on your get a mule, you know. And they might say, we're going to lower this time, you know. That makes you feel good. Like such, everything is okay. But see it, she never know, so we know, say, yes, see it, you're a mule. Alright, but go on. Because remember, next time you come through, you know, now feel like a sort of go. So if you feel like, say, you beat the system, do what you do the last 10 years ago and come through again. Yes! You understand? Another comfort that you want to live with. And come a boss, but you can travel around the world. You can travel around the world. Since you have been out of incarceration? How much country you have been traveled to? How much country you traveled to since? You can't hardly come to Jamaica where you're born land. Because you can't afford it. You understand? How many travel? You can travel around the world. You boast about traveling around the world. If 99 had the privilege to travel around the world, should have been to more than probably 10, 15 countries in that space of time you spend in incarceration. You come and boast about you can travel around the world. Traveling somewhere, traveling around the world and can't travel there is a different thing. Because of you not having any financial resources. So what the sense? You know what people want that privilege you have? I don't know, say you couldn't do it. But all because of the time you spend aligning yourself in people, business, and private life. What people do that is nothing of your concern. It shouldn't be something of your burden. So you spend less time, you know, to push yourself forward, to put yourself in a better place. Yeah, man.
Get deported. So we not always but you not highlight the fact that she got deported. You saw no bias? Me don't know, I hear about one. And a long time I hear about the one.
You are the people them always highlight your incarceration, but them now highlight for your deportation. There is no evidence of 99 deportation, but there is evidence of your incarceration. So if you have evidence of 99 deportation, bring it forward to the public. Let us see your evidence. Let us see your factual evidence of our incarceration. Like, oh, your factual evidence is out there that you are a mule, that you were incarcerated in the BVI. You understand? Your evidence is there. Bring forward. Since we don't know, and you want we know, and you want we talk about it, bring it forward. And remember now, deportation cannot be compared to your incarceration. Deportation comes in many different ways. And you can't even say what she was deported for, because there is nothing factual and you don't want to make a false accusation. You understand? So you just claim to say she get deported, but yet still you can't say what she get deported for. Remember, you can't get deported probably if the simplest of things. Immigration can just turn your back and say, watch out. Ray. Ray. You understand? You can't get deported if you drive a vehicle foreign without a license. That don't mean you do nothing real hardcore where crime is concerned. So there are so many things you can't get deported for. But what happened, it has been known why you get 10 years in the BVI. If you carry something where the world, every country is against. Now carry it a beer in the country, on the country airstrip, in the country major airport, and at this manufacture, the countries are against it. And that's what you got prison for, you know. And that's how you want to come and compare yourself with somebody where you claims and have no proof of that get deported.
I hear about the one back in 2019, 2020 when she did a frig with me. Somebody from the UK, I'm not going to forget her, one lady hit me up and say, yo, She used to work in a restaurant, somebody restaurant in the UK. I saw me find out who she was. I know about her from a long time. Yeah, and the person pinch me and tell me. Them tell me a few other things about her to 99. Them tell me a few other things about her.
So, them tell you say she work in a restaurant. Them tell you a few other things about her. But them still not tell you why she get deported. So, what the relevancy of you coming to say she get deported? She not born in England. She not have a British citizenship. So if the people them feel like turn her out of her country for overstay or whatsoever, what can she do?
But it's none of my business. Yeah? You love what you love. If you love women too, that's your business. You know, I feel like we're all adults. You understand? That's your business. That's none of mine. That wasn't important to me. You know, like the part where them says she got deported before. You know, and I'm like, whoa, for real? I say when? Them says she used to work in a somebody restaurant. This was back in 2019, I find out. And she knows. I think she told a bit of a story about her working in a somebody restaurant over there in the UK. But she also forgot to tell you guys that she got deported. So what are you saying, Earl? What are you saying, Earl? You're coming in here trying to insult us. Anytime when you introduce something.
So, she forgot to tell us that she get deported, but she tell me part of the story and she working in the restaurant. So you tell me the rest of the story. You got all the information. You don't have it half on? Tell me the story, man. We all come tell you say somebody get deported, but you can't tell what them get deported for. But here still you compare the person deportation and I compare your the person deportation to yours wrongdoings of getting 10 years incarcerated. How are we going to justify which one is better than which one is worse or which one should? Eh?
About me, I'm going to introduce something about her. So,
but what you introduce is of no relevance.
So don't come to me and tell me about my incarceration.
You can fly the world. Yes, you can fly the world. And who will live better? Who more comfortable? The person who can't fly the world is living more comfortable than you. The person who can't fly the world and only probably can fly to Canada as well, say only Canada she can go. You can't go Canada though. You can't go Canada. Because any Canada where you have to fly go, you have to go sponge. You have to go sponge your record. That the list it says sponge, and you take around, well me I go say the same thing, not expunge. You have to go sponge your record. Then I have to sponge your deportation record to fly go to Canada. And since she get deported, count how much time she have fly to Canada. In a short space of time too. Comparing to the 2 times you fly since you come from prison 10 years ago. We can fly the world. So who will live better? Who will live more comfortable? Eh? Name it. Who for business a flourish and a prosper more? Who the world love more? Who is more famous? You that go to the BVI prison or she that get deported from England? Eh? Who the world love more? Who more famous? So where is your comparison? There is no comparison. You understand? You don't have no comparison. As me say, you don't have no substance. You don't have no rank. You don't have no status to compare yourself with 99. So stop do it. Stop try do it. When people come in and you comment and people say what they want to say, deal with for them issue and deal with what they must say. Don't go on like you want to take it like the others, because that's how the whole honesty, you know. As somebody come in and comment and talk anything, you can't go at that person. You don't want to go at 99. And as I say, most time I found the same people them just come Because them want to cuss the woman and them want to go on with themselves. Them come and them cause the problem.
Expect to get away with it. You come in here and defend me and you think I'm going to put she out there. I'm going to dash her out there and tell her about herself.
But you don't know nothing about
because
her.
You are coming in my life and come and try to insult me for her.
That only show how erratic you are for an educated person. Because somebody are coming in your life, as we say, I try to insult you for 99. You don't know who is this person who are try to insult you. You don't know if this person is with 99 or is not with 99. You don't know if this person is a fan of yours. You understand? But you just choose to use it to boost your system to go off of 99. So people can't say, watch, I should just get up a call 99 name. You can't have the excuse to say other person that. That is how erratic you are for an educated person. You're so educated and you're supposed to be so erratic. Because you're so non-sensitive when you behave that way there. Yes, you are non-sensitive when you behave that way there. Educated people don't behave that way there. No shape nor form you find educated people behave that erratic way like you. So it's like you wouldn't mind every time you do a live, somebody just jump on your live and say something about 99. Because it makes your life and your life more sweeter. But that's all. It does taste sweet. But the sweetness not gonna far away. Right there so it stop.
But everybody know about me early. So what you try to say? You know, you're my live and I'm earlier in the live. Me say everybody know me. Google me. I get incarcerated. Everybody know. Me in the newspaper. You never hear me earlier. You never hear me I brag about my fame, my rise to big fame. But it famous long time, but my rise to bigger fame when I get locked up. You never hear me talk about it earlier.
You're famous for all the wrong things, yes? You did famous long time for all the wrong things. And you get even bigger fame for the wrong thing. When you get that, you hold that 10 years then you caca. Yes, man. So all of your fame what you are about is for the wrong things. For the wrong things. Nothing good. No good legacy leave off your fame. Nobody would want to follow your footstep in gaining the fame you gain. For the wrong things. You understand? A good thing, I'm glad you know, say, we can Google your name and your file come up. When I come off this video, I go and Google Donna Marie Go. And I am going to try and do it on a local scale to see what I get, if nothing against her name in deportation. And I go and question Google, how can I find out if someone from a country have ever been deported from the UK? Yes, and based on the instruction what them give me, I go ahead and Google that to see if DMG name are gonna come up. But one thing for sure, you know, me know your name going to come up if me Google it. Alright.
Lord of mercy, you're late. You talk about it, say me get locked up before. I mean, nothing to brag. It never did hide. Don't go like a someone hide.
If I know something where it go public,
So
you would hide
because
it.
me did get incarcerated, me for go hide, I must sell no cake. And on top of that, I wrote a book. So what I mean, what do I? It's just so stale now. It's so redundant now. Like it's stale. What una do? What do I want to do? I'm famous from a long time. I'm famous from me getting incarcerated. So what you saying? And I wrote a book about it. It's gonna be forever in a.
If that all the fame, me no want boast about that fame there. If that is all the fame, me no want boast about it. Because That are the fame you want? Will help make your life stagnant more than how it's stagnant? Eh? Make your life complicated? It make your life coming like when somebody having some medical issues and it make another medical issue and make everything just get complicated. Eh? You tell me now.
Black and white. Come with something, it's like when I search and can't find nothing. When you just pick out things out on the batty wall. When you talk about me and dancehall man, which is not true, and that died down very quickly. When you come with, me sleep with Gully Bop, that's not true. Nobody believed y'all. That died. What else when you come with? When you come with all sort of shit, some thief my father money, that's not true.
So what you do? Take it. So when you take something that's not given to you and you steal it. Whether you take it with the intention to put it back, borrow it, or whatsoever, steal it once it's not given to you. You understand? Oh.
What else not gonna come with? I'm not really with that. I don't feel no way because Earl said that about me. I don't.
True, we not see when you're crying in your sleep at
you
night
notice
time.
we're not even black Earl. We're not even black Earl, but like that, if you want to...
True, we not see the whole of pain and cry when you're crying in your sleep at night time. Your pillow supposed to wet at night time. So you have a right. Because we not see. Lot of sorrow in at night time when you put on your head, man. Lot of sorrow. You're dying to see daylight. Because when you close your eye and sleep, everything just come right back to you. All your darkness. Because you know no light come to you, pure darkness when you lock your eye. And that's the reason why you want to see morning. To get the light. You know? Yes. Because when you lock your eye at night time, it just be a darkness come to you and sorrow. You just a cry and go away so you know you sleep. Yes, man.
Apologize to me, my door is wide open. Them say me sleep with my daughter, man. Like, are you stupid? Are you dumb?
You know how come admit it?
Daughter, man, like, really? Me look like them type of person, eh?
Of course. You pass
Me
this
sleep
up.
with my daughter, man. Yeah, that's a lie. I'm going to sleep with my daughter, man.
Ask yourself.
Oh, so nasty. Then
Yep.
them say me sleep with my son.
You
Yo, you have some really nasty people on the internet, you know, man. I wish, but when I mix me up for 99. And one of the reasons, LaDonna, why I need to be above 99 is...
How them a mix you up with 99? Nastiness. 99 name I call no form of nastiness. Eh? A your name I call no nastiness, you know. So how you want to mix up 99 name in a nastiness? When a your name I call no nastiness. I be a germs of people your name call upon, you know. People would have classify as, you know? Yes, man. You look upon the people, most of the people your name call upon.
that I don't have any incest in my family. Your friend does. So you have to put me in the top part. I don't have incest in my family. Uno embrace everything bad. Right? But me, uno want to throw another bus. I'm not ashamed. And the thing
You know, no shame, she so you can't shame.
It's just, uno just have to try and push me out of the business. That's what I try. Uno just hate me so much and I try. Push me out of the business.
Push you out of what business? You have no business, yeah? Eh? You create, you set no business? More than people set them busy, you want to tear it down and feel like that's the way to go, to live off of, to feed off of. That's your energy. You feel like that's the oxygen to breathe, to build your business by tearing down other people's business. That's not the proper oxygen. You understand? So you need to go and recheck yourself and get the right oxygen. You understand? To propel your business. Speak my mind, people. As me say, me just come across this video and I don't think a long, I feel like I just since area, but I don't think I recently, probably no, I don't know. I just say because me just see it. But me have to come and talk about it. Because the comparison with the deportation and the prison and me can fly around the world and she gets stuck. Me couldn't really figure it out. So me have to bring it to you. Because I like know which one I want to choose. 10 years incarcerated and after you can fly around the world. And deportation and stuck and comfortably in a life, and alright in a life. More than the 10 years where you go spend incarcerated, come a road, have the privilege to fly around the world and never ever fly outside of Jamaica and America since you come out of prison. You understand? So me no know which one you that choose. You don't tell me in the comment there. So that's why I have to really come out. Because the comparison where she make. Anyway, you know what to do. Continue to like, share and subscribe to this channel. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Hit the thumbs up when you hit the video. Please to watch the ads. Remember the Young Entrepreneur College Student, our YouTube channel. The link is in the comment section. Just hit the link and hit subscription and give her a subscribe. Help our channel to grow. You know, as a young college student, I try her way. So, you know, can go on every little dollar she can get from here there. And she would like to get her channel monetized. So, you know, she can gain a thing from this of a put this of a put, you know, to make sure she can make up her tuition fee when it come on to them time of the year there. Instead of come and beg people and I will look for handout and she have her young business and you can also support her business. When you subscribe to the channel, you just go in the description and you will find our Instagram business page and our website. You know, and just go over there and support her. Customize mugs, tumblers, ring, chain, bracelets, and teacups, anything you want, customize. With your name on it, your boyfriend picture, your husband picture, your daughter, your son picture, you know, you can get it. So, big up on yourself and remember the cash app pin in my comment section. You ask for it, you get it. $ Life is a Mission TV. Big up on yourself and happy Monday again. Yeah, when the boy come on. As I say, we're not going to see that area come till about Wednesday. Yeah, because tomorrow, before the girl come back at work, today her day off. She didn't work yesterday because of circumstance. Today is her day off, so tomorrow she back at work. You're supposed to wash and comb, but I might make a video before it's done. So I know it go. And then, you know, after that, to the barber. I mean, I like seeing them well per year, and them ear don't fit me at all. But at the same time, I tell them I really shave on a regular basis. Like every fortnight or so I shave, because I know my face dropping in a hole. You understand? Yeah, and when you shave too often, that's what happens. You irritate, you know, give the ear root no time to settle and grow back and things. So every minute you depend. You know? So big up on yourself. Love on you all.